y'all, welcome to another day of Vlogmas. This is me, Simply Tonya Lee. Thank you for joining me today. We are here today to finally make this flu bomb that I should have made yesterday. For those of you who are new, thank you, thank you, thank you. Welcome, welcome, welcome. For all of those who are returning, I love you guys. Thank you for coming. Welcome back. Today we're going to make this flu bomb, and a flu bomb is really good for you when you feel like you have a cold coming on, which is when I should have made it, or if you're in the midst of one, which is me. It's good for respiratory infections because it has the ginger, it has the garlic, it has the cayenne, it has the cracked black pepper, you got your lemon, you got your honey. So those are the ingredients that are in it, and you can put water in it, and you would drink it kind of like a tea. Is it gross? Yes, it is, because who wants to drink stuff with chunks of garlic in it? I don't, but I do because I know it's beneficial to my health. So we're gonna make this quick flu bomb recipe. And for those of you who are new, I want to welcome you over here to Simply Tonya Lee, where we are all about lifestyle. Under that lifestyle umbrella, you'll find recipes, you'll find gardening, crafting, just travel, some of everything in my life. I don't feel like I'm one-dimensional, so I like to stick with what I'm best at, and that's living my life. So I welcome you guys, and to my family who have returned, thank y'all for coming back. Bring a friend, bring a family member the next time, okay? And remember to hit that thumbs up button to like, and remember to hit the subscribe button. I know y'all are new, some of y'all are new and like, I don't want to subscribe to you yet, girl. I gotta see what you're all about. Trust me, it's foolishness going on over here. You're gonna come back. So anyway, this video is not gonna be very long because I'm not feeling the greatest, but I did want to share this recipe with you just in case, you know, it's something that you could feel beneficial to your well-being in those times of not feeling well. Got my nice comfy cozy pajamas on, so I'm gonna make this flu bomb, and then I am headed back upstairs to get back in the bed and edit yesterday's vlog so I can get that video up for you guys today. All right, so what's in the recipe? You're gonna go with some honey. This is extra. I'm dropping in two dried cayenne pepper. You're gonna use a half a cup of warm water and a half a cup of cold water. That's if you want to drink it immediately. You don't have to do a half a cup and a half a cup. If you're gonna just let it sit, you can just pour in a cup of room temperature water. You're gonna do a few cracks of fresh black pepper, a juice of 1 lemon, and some ginger. And you're gonna use garlic. I don't really measure a whole lot of it out, but I'm gonna give you some estimates of what we're gonna go with. So let's get into making this video. And I need to set up my phone because I actually want to make this into a reel. And so if y'all see my phone right here, don't pay it no mind. It's just it might do. No, don't pay it no mind, because this is the behind the scenes of a content creator. I need to get my other tripod, which is technically should be sitting beside this my camera, but because I don't know where my tripod is, you know what? I think I do know where my tripod is. Y'all hold on. All right, so we're gonna do this quick flu bomb, and if I sound crazy, charge it to my sickness, because I am sick. So we're gonna juice 1 lemon. All right, for this flu bomb, we're gonna juice this 1 lemon, and I do have a juicer, but I prefer to use this manual juicer just because I feel like it gets more juice instead of tons of pulp. The juicer, I get pulp sometimes, and I don't necessarily want pulp. Juice of 1 lemon. Pour that into your jar. Then we're gonna go with, I'm just gonna go ahead and drop these in. We have 2 dried chili peppers. We're gonna drop those into the jar. You need that spice, trust me. You're gonna go with a few turns of your cracked black pepper. I know there's more than a few, but trust me, you need it. Then you're gonna go in with, you could go with about 1/4 teaspoon, I'm gonna say, of ginger. And I know you don't see it falling because it's sticking to the back of the, oh, soon as I say it's not falling, there it is. And ginger is spicy, so this is going to be a very spicy drink, as you can tell. And I'm gonna try to mince as much of my ginger as possible. I don't know why I didn't do this the easy way. Alright, there's your ginger, and then you're going to mince. Since these cloves are small, I typically do 2 cloves, but these are small, so I'm going to go in with 3 cloves because you really need that garlic. The garlic, as nasty as it is, this is the thing that is really going to save you. And if you have any recipes of things that you do for warding off colds or anything like that, drop down in the comments and let me know. I'm all for trying home remedies. And we're gonna go in with 1 more clove. Then we're going to go in with about, I'm going to say, a 1/4 teaspoon, a little bit more of honey. And then we're going to go in with a cup of water. I don't know why I got this. Oh, I got the 1/2 cup because I was going to do a 1/2 cup of cold and a 1/2 cup of warm. But I changed my mind. And there you have it. That is the flu bomb. I feel like I need more lemon, but I think it's good. And if you have like a green tea, you can mix it with green tea and have your real cup of tea. But there's the flu bomb. As nasty as it looks, it works. Is my top not on? Nope. Ooh, this stuff is strong. So there it is. And I'm just going to let that sit. You keep it refrigerated, and then you just, you know, drink it as needed. I normally do a shot of it because, you know, in the store they have the where you can get the shots of lemon, cayenne, ginger. They have all those different little immunity shots. You drink this the same way. So you make it and then you just take a shot of it. I take a shot of it in the morning and a shot of it at night. It is going to be extremely spicy. And tonight I might actually make myself a cup of tea and put some of that in it. So there you have it, y'all. This was a real quick video. I just wanted to come up here and share that recipe with you because I need to go sit down. Because I need to go actually lay down. And I think that was it. That's all I got for y'all today. Hopefully tomorrow we'll be feeling much better and we can do a little bit more chit-chatting. But until then, stay safe, stay well, and love yourself and love others. And I'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye.